Hello guys, welcome to the Canadian Immigrant YouTube channel, where we bring you all immigration news related to Canada and give you tips and tricks on the immigration process to Canada. In this video, we're gonna talk about the top 6 credit cards for newcomers to Canada. But before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel as it helps this channel reach new audiences. And if you like to chat with us, feel free to join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. The links are in the description. And now, let's begin with the video. First, let's start with the importance of credit cards and why do you need them as a newcomer to Canada. When used responsibly, credit cards can be valuable tools for building credit, qualifying for loans, earning rewards, traveling, and handling emergency or unplanned expenses. By using credit cards and building credit, you will be building your credit history, which is crucial as you start a new chapter in Canada. Credit scores are needed for any major purchase, such as a home or a car. And now let's talk about the top credit cards for newcomers to Canada. The first card on our list is the Tangerine cashback credit card, as it not only comes with a $0 yearly fee, but it also offers a 2% cashback rewards on your shopping without any cashback limit. So basically this card is great because it doesn't cost you anything and you will earn a 2% cashback when you use it. So if we go to the Tangerine website, this is the money back credit card. As you can see, it has $0 annual fee, an unlimited cashback, and up to 2% rewards. And currently, at the time of filming this video, there's a special offer. So if you apply for a Tangerine credit card by November 30th, if you're approved, you'll earn 15% back, which is up to $150 when you spend $1,000 in everyday purchases within your first 2 months. So this card is one of the best ones for newcomers as it has no annual fee and it has up to 2% of unlimited cashbacks. So basically, as long as you're spending, you're getting cashback on your purchases. Now, the second card that I recommend for newcomers is the Simply Cash card from American Express. This is a great card as it has no annual fees, and while using this card you will earn 1.25% cashback with no limit. So as long as you're spending, as long as you're getting the 1.25% cashback. And currently there's a new offer on this credit card that offers you 4% cashback in your first 6 months, up to 200 cashback. Details are on the Amex website. I'll leave a link down below. The third card on our list is the TD Cashback Infinite card. This card is great for newcomers as the first year is free of charge, and if you open a checking account with TD, then the annual fee is waived for as long as your checking account is open. The advantages of having this card is that you can earn 6% cashback on all purchases for the first 3 months, up to a total spend of $2,000, which is a huge amount for cashback. After the first 3 months, the cashback percentage drops down to 1%, except for groceries and gas, where the cashback is 3%. This is a slightly better card than the Amex Simply Cash, only if you have a checking account with TD and you can waive the yearly fees after the first year. I'll leave a link to the TD website in the description. Feel free to check it out. Over there you'll find a calculator that can give you an estimate of the cashback you will get based on your monthly spending. Card number 4 on our list, and my personal favorite card that I use every day, is the RBC Avion Visa Infinite card. This is a premium card with an annual fee of $120. However, it is free for the first year as a newcomer to Canada. On top of the rewards and cashback that this card offers, the main advantage of this card is the extensive insurance that you get, such as the emergency medical insurance, the auto rental collision insurance, the trip cancellation or interruption insurance, the mobile device insurance, extended warranty protection, gas discounts with Petro-Canada, and much more. All these perks, in my opinion, justify the premium price of this card, and personally I find it very useful when purchasing flight tickets, renting cars, or buying electronics. The link is in the description. Feel free to check it out. It's a very good card to have. Card number 5 in our list is the BMO Cashback Mastercard. This card has also no annual fees, which is great for a newcomer. Offers 3% cashback on groceries, 1% on reoccurring bills, and 0.5% on everything else, so it's a very good card overall. It might give you less cashback than the Simply Cash card from American Express. However, it is good to note that the Amex card is not always accepted everywhere. So this is why the MasterCard from BMO is a good one to have, just in case the Amex card does not work. A good tool offered by BMO is the cashback calculator, where you can estimate the amount of cashback on the first year based on your spending. For example, if you spend around $800 on groceries, $1,000 on recurring bills, and $500 on other spendings per month, you might get a cashback of $400 the first year, which is not too bad. Card number 6 in our list, and the last card, is the Signature RBC Reward Visa. The main advantages of this card is that there are no annual fees if you have a no-limit banking account with RBC, and that you can earn 1 RBC reward point for every $1 in qualifying purchases you make with the card. These points can be redeemed for air travel, cruises, resorts, merchandise, gift cards, and electronic purchases from Best Buy. On top, by getting this card, you get all types of group insurance that you get with RBC, such as auto rental, loss damage, and other type of coverage. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for this card, as well as all the other cards that we talked about. And that's it guys for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to the channel so we can increase the channel reach. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below or join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching again guys, and we'll see you in the next one.